Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Teacher Mizal, and today we're gonna learn about what is a party costume. So we have heard about costumes, right? But since I am showing you about Curious George who goes to a costume party, so we should learn about what is a party costume. So a costume party for American English. So for American English, we call it a costume party, right? Costumes that we use when we go to a certain party. And then for the British English, we call it a fancy dress party. So it is a type of party commonly mainly in contemporary Western culture where guests dress up in costumes. So costume party is like people will go to a certain house or a place where they all wear a costume. So the Halloween costume or the costume Halloween parties are popular in the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. So here I'm going to show you some of the costumes. So these are examples of the party costumes. So some people, if they go to party costumes, they will wear their favorite superheroes like Iron Man, or they want to wear like Tinkerbell, or just a princess or a queen, and so many more, right? And then these are also like scary costumes, like some are wearing like the clown and like a scary one, and sometimes they wear like a mummy or a skeleton or a garbage man or something that's book characters that they can wear also. And that's it. So in our story, the monkey, which is George, he was wearing a hat, and he has a lasso. A lasso is like this, the rope, and then a vest is like this one. These are vests that we put on top of some the shirt, and then this one is the French. French is like pants with the design on the side like that, like this one. So they are like a rodeo. These are the rodeo costumes. So again, the hat, the lasso, which is the rope, the vest, and then the pants with French. And yeah, that's it. And these are the reference that I use to use the video, no, not the video, the pictures and the definition of the word costume party or party costume. Alright, that would be all. Thank you so much and have a wonderful weekend. Goodbye.